My name is Audra Fordin, the owner of Great Bear Auto Repair and Auto Body Shop in Flushing, Queens, and the founder of Women Auto Know, a user-generated auto repair shop directory and review community. In real estate, it's always location, location, location. Well, in auto repair, it's maintenance, 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 and that's what we're talking about today. Now that summer is almost a memory, millions of people will start to plan their holidays and winter weekends and really enjoy the crisp, cooler weather ahead. Did you start to plan your trip? Because fall is the perfect time of year to make sure that your vehicle is ready for that travel. Somewhere down by the left side over here is where you're gonna find your hood release. Pull the hood release, it's gonna unlatch the hood. The most difficult thing about opening up your hood is figuring out what the latch is, and you only really have that difficulty the first time. So take a peek if you can. You're gonna bend down and you're gonna look for this lever here. And this lever, once you depress it, you're gonna lift up your hood. As the change of seasons happen, well, change your oil, because changing your car's oil and filter as specified by the manufacturer will ensure that your car operates at peak efficiency. You could keep going all day long and just fill up with oil. If you have a leak, just fill it up so that you have always enough fluid inside of the engine to keep it cool, lubricated, and free from friction, to do its job. But when it's leaking out, there's a repercussion that you need to be aware of. The tune-up of olden days and what's considered a tune-up of today are very different. But you still want to check your charging system and your engine and your power control, which includes your onboard diagnostics, your fuel, your ignition, and your emission system. The battery, really key here. Batteries have a lifespan, anywhere from 4 to 6 years. Once you hit that 4-year point, have your charging system checked. That way it's on your terms, your turf, and your time, not transit in the street somewhere. And fluids, well, it's time to check them, especially now that it's getting bitter cold. Washer fluid, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering, and coolant. Now check your OMV to see when that coolant should be replaced and do just like the owner's manual says. See this right here? This is the cowl. And in here, all these little vents is how your car breathes. So keeping your air induction system clean, your air filter, and then all that seasonal debris, well, ultimately, it's going to save you in fuel economy. Check your tires. They are your car's connection to the road. Like shoes on your feet. If your shoes are worn, or worse, worn unevenly, well, your car's ability to handle and stop, it will be affected. Look for the tire wear indicators. That's going to be your best bet to make sure that you've got enough tread to keep you gripped tight to the road. Fall is a good time to check the entire braking system also, including your brake linings, your rotors, and your drums. So be aware of any warning signs that may say that you need them, like if they're grinding or if you're not stopping on time. Things like that are really going to be dangerous as the inclement weather starts to hit. My name is Audra Fordin, the owner of Great Bear Auto Repair and Auto Body Shop in Flushing, Queens, and the founder of WomenAutoKnow.com, a user-generated auto shop directory and review community. Drive safe.